Hello, this is Lucas with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. This boat here in front of us is the Harris Solstice 250, coming in the sterling gray in the red accent. The interior is going to be the chestnut brown with the rear-facing lounger. This boat is going to come with the Simrad screen and full of the JL audio speakers. You do have storage on the floor here in the front. Walking from the back, you'll see the singles captain's chair, as well as a better view of the sun lounger. This Solstice is going to come with the Mercury 300. Give us a call here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and ask for Lucas on your Harris Solstice 250 from 2023.